let's do the wear test of this Vice Cosmetics Infinite Blur Skin Tint. This is part of their Sunwear collection, and I think this collection will last for so long kasi everyday we always need a sun protection product. This is the packaging. Personally, I really love the packaging kasi mas handy siya and it is very sturdy kasi ang ganda ng plastic nung ginamit sa kanya. This skin tint has panthenol, Centella asiatica extract, watermelon fruit extract. Gusto mo yun? May pa-watermelon. And this has 30 ml of product. This is a tone-perfecting skin tint that delivers natural satin finish, long-wearing coverage, and lasting hydration with a smooth, infinite blur. Yun yung mga gusto ko sa mga product ng Vice Cosmetics. Meron silang blurring effect always. It's like their Blurfection skin tint and their Dream Focus foundation. I think that's a good thing kasi napapaganda niya yung itsura ng makeup mo all throughout the day. Before I use this, of course, shake well. Ooh! Meron siyang steel ball sa loob. Can you hear it? Oops. In fairness sa packaging, talagang alam mo yung, ito yung packaging na makikita mo for a skin tint. Maganda yung nozzle, and even the cap. Pag nag-twist siya, ramdam mo na maglalak. So, it won't leak. Now, let's try it. I'm going to apply it directly. Oops. Oh my God. I love that the skin tint is not runny, not liquidy. Ayan, medyo thick pa rin yung kanyang consistency. And then, ikalat lang natin. Kasi ayoko rin nung sobrang bongga na coverage. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng effect niya sa salamin. Kita ko na, like, para kung nag-filter in real life. For real. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang daming aso. This one has light coverage. Unlike their previous skin tint na super skin-like lang. Ito naman, it's skin-like in a way na mako-cover niya yung mga blemishes mo on your face. Ang maganda dito sa skin tint na to, maganda mo siyang i-concentrate sa T-zone area. Kasi definitely, dun ka mag-oil up. Especially sa forehead. I also put here on my eyelids and then para hindi na ako mag-concealer dito na rin sa under eye. Then, make sure you blend everything. And with that, naka one layer lang ako ng Vice Cosmetics Infinite Blur Skin Tint. And I love how it looks like. Hindi niya totally na-cover yung mga discoloration ko because of facial hairs. But that's totally fine. Kasi, ang gusto lang natin i-achieve is natural filter. Like, very fresh lang na look. And I think with this one, kailangan mo talagang mag-set ng powder. Kasi, meron siyang shine. Yes, as you can see. But if you have a normal to dry skin, I don't think na kailangan mo na mag-set. But if you're oily skin like me, you need to set it with powder. Personally, I don't like putting on my neck. That's why I want to get the shade that is really exact to my skin tone. But if you're acidic, go to 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. Kasi sayang yung ganda ng effect na nakikita ko ngayon sa skin tint na to if mag-oxidize lang naman siya. Oh my God, in fairness to this skin tint, sa sobrang pagka-lightweight niya, sobrang pagkanipis niya, hindi pa ako nagpapawis. And considering na wala pang aircon dito, I'm going to set the skin tint with the Universal Fix Bake Setting Powder. Diyos ko, Vice Cosmetics, i-restock nyo na to. Sobrang ganda nito. Like, oh my God, talagang one of like unmatched ang kanyang power. Now, let's see kung gaano siya magtatagal na maganda sa aking face. This is how it looks like. Very natural on the skin. Super pasabog. I love it. Ngayon pa lang, if you're looking for an everyday base, I think this one would be a good recommendation. Let's go! So this is after 16 hours of wearing this skin tint. Again, this is the Infinite Blur Skin Tint of Vice Cosmetics and I have been wearing this for 16 hours. Let's see if meron pa rin bang natitirang skin tint sa aking face. This is makeup wipe, so let's see. Oh my god, meron pa rin. Oh my god. Meron pa rin. In fairness to this, ha? And yung one side lang muna yung tatanggalin ko, yung skin tint, para at least makita natin yung difference after 16 hours. Kita nyo dito kung gano'n yan na mas fresh looking siyang tingnan. But with this, after kong tanggalin, na-reveal na yung some of my blemishes. Kasi dito medyo natatago pa siya eh. But very minimal lang. Considering na 16 hours na itong nasa skin ko and meron pa rin talagang natira. Wow, ang ganda ng effect nito. On the other side, oh my god, meron pa din. This. So after 16 hours, meron pa rin akong nakuha. So ibig sabihin, nagtatagal talaga siya even kahit skin tint siya. In fairness to this skin tint ha, again, this is the Vice Cosmetics Infinite Blur Skin Tint. Things that you need to remember if you're going to use this. First, it is very skin-like. So, it won't give you that much of coverage. So, if kailangan mo ng coverage, you can use concealer or foundation. Second, para kang nag-apply ng filter in real life. But still, kitang-kita pa rin yung mga texture mo. Kasi, again guys, yung mga texture natin sa mukha, talagang hindi na yan matatakpan ng makeup. Ang nagagawa nitong skin tint na to is to even out your skin tone para at least mas magmukha kang fresh, mas magmukha kang youthful. Next is mas madali siyang gamitin for me with bare hands kasi mas ramdam mo yung pag-blend. But if you are medyo maselan when it comes to using your fingers, you can definitely use a brush, but wag mo na siyang gagamitan ng sponge. Do I recommend this to oily skin? Yes, I would still recommend this to oily skin, but again, if you want more coverage, you can go ahead try another skin tint or foundation. But if you want to feel lightweight, this one is the one to go. Ay, ano daw? Yung kanyang sun protection factor is 50 PA++++. So, if nag-sunscreen ka na and then naggumamit ka pa ng skin tint underneath, talagang super protected mo na sa araw. Again, this is the Vice Cosmetics Infinite Blur Skin Tint. Bye!